Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Markdown editor with live preview to actually create and edit Markdown files directly in the browser. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. So this is actually the full directory structure of the project. It's having this index.html file right here. And once you purchase it, you will automatically be redirected to Google Drive. And then you can run this application in VS Code open with live server. So this is your application. So right here, you basically paste your markdown and everything will be exported. You will see that. So this is on the right hand side, you will see the markdown being there. So it's a complete markdown based editor with live preview. So here you paste your markdown and the right hand side or everything will be shown with the live preview. You have the copy to clipboard button as well. Markdown with live preview. So if you're interested in this guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code.